guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Grandma in a Box. This is the December box, which has a holiday treat theme. Comes with a few recipe cards here. The first one is California Snowman Pops, so it looks cute. And then it shows all the ingredients on the back in case you have any allergies or sensitivities. And then the second project is always cookies. There's our social media sites. So let's take a look. Oh, cute. So we have some white chocolate. That's for the first project. We have some pretzel sticks and eyes and little buttons or M&Ms. All the little snowman pieces and the nose in there. We have green, yellow, red, and white icing. Cute little toy. Two of them, which is perfect because I have two kids. A couple Reese's for one of the projects. Bunch of Christmas colored sprinkles. Ornament shaped cookie, snowflake shaped cookie, tree, and snowman. Super cute. So we have a bunch of popsicle sticks and some parchment paper. So now I will insert footage of us making these treats. For the first project, we melted our chocolate, and I also cut the Reese's in half and then separated out the pretzels, the eyeballs, and the M&Ms and the noses. And you just put some on the parchment paper in a random shape, roll the popsicle stick through it. Then you add the hat, the eyes, the arms, the nose, and a couple little buttons. And then you can move on to the second project, which is always decorating cookies. And Jackson was working on a really cute ornament. And Raylan still just likes to put the icing in the center and then dump way too many sprinkles on top. I normally make 1 or 2 cookies, so I made a Christmas tree. And then Jackson later tried to mirror the one I made, and he did a really good job. I'll show you that one at the end. We also had a couple M&Ms and some eyeballs left over, so we added those to our cookies. The one on the left there was Jackson's tree, snowman, and here's how the little pops came out. These are super cute, and the kids had a lot of fun making those. So if you guys would like to sign up for a Grandma in the Box subscription, I will have all the information in the description box below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.